Welcome guys, this is Tristle Digital, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to use Rakuten Points. I'm going to explain to you in details while sharing my screen with you so you can get a better understanding. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and now let's break it down. So as you can see, I'm right here in Rakuten's official website, and this is the article that contains every information you will need. So Rakuten Points can be used on future purchases at the rate of 1 point equals 1 Japanese yen. To use your points, please input how many points you would like to use during the checkout process. So basically, Rakuten rewards you for shopping and engaging with their platform with Rakuten Points. And these points act like cash. You earn 1 point for every 1 yen spent and can redeem them at the same rate for discounts on future Rakuten purchases. When you check out, you simply enter how many points you want to use to break down your total bill. And it's a great way to stretch your shopping budget on Rakuten. And down here we see minimum and maximum point usage. The minimum point usage is 1 Rakuten points per order. The maximum point usage is 100,000 cumulative Rakuten points per month. So while you can ship in as little as 1 Rakuten point for any purchase, keep in mind there is a limit on how much of a discount you can score in a month, and Rakuten caps the total points you can redeem at 100,000 per month, so plan your point-powered purchases strategically. And when we get down here, we see that point deduction and refunds. If you have both regular points and time-limited points will be deducted first. Regular points can always be refunded when an order is cancelled. Time-limited points can only be refunded within its expiry date when an order is cancelled. So Rakuten prioritizes using your points that are about to expire, time-limited points. And the good news is that regular points are always refundable if you cancel an order. However, for time-limited points, you'll only get them back if you cancel before they expire. Remember to use these points before they lose their magic. And that's all what you have to know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was useful, and see you in the next one.